In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fade in audio in Audacity step by step. This is a simple but really useful editing trick that can make your audio sound much more polished and professional. Whether you're working on a voiceover, podcast, music intro, or any other audio clip, a fade in helps the sound start smoothly instead of coming in too abruptly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Audacity tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Audacity and load the audio file you want to edit. Once your track is visible on the timeline, you need to choose the part of the audio where you want the fade in to begin. Usually that's the very start of the clip. To do that, click and drag across the beginning of the audio to highlight the section you want to fade in. Make sure your selection covers the area where you want the volume to gradually rise from silence to full volume in. The longer the selection, the more gradual the fade will sound, so keep that in mind depending on the style you want. After you've highlighted the start of the audio, go up to the top menu and click Effect. This opens a list of audio processing tools inside Audacity. From there, look for fading. When you hover over or click that option, you'll see different fade controls available. Now click Fade In. Audacity will instantly apply the fade in effect to the selected part of the audio. What this does is create a smooth increase in volume, starting from silence and gradually building up to the normal loudness of the track. It's a very clean way to make your audio sound more natural, especially if you're introducing music or easing into spoken audio. If the fade sounds too short or too dramatic, you can always undo it and try again with a longer or shorter selection. That's one of the great things about Audacity. You can test different edits until it sounds exactly right. And once you've applied the fade in, you can play it back to hear the result and make sure the transition sounds smooth. So to quickly recap, highlight the start of the audio, click Effect, choose Fading, and then click Fade In. That's all it takes to create a smooth volume increase from silence to full loudness. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Audacity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.